We've all seen it before. First, there was the clapper. We've come a long way since then, and technology has made our lives both more complicated and more simple. Home automation isn't exactly a new concept, but what was once reserved for the rich and famous or those with incredibly deep pockets is now available to everyone. With Apple technology and the guys who know how to use it, it's the perfect place to start. Come on, let me show you what I mean. I'd like you to meet one of our MacDucks home automation specialists. This is Luke. Hey Luke.
Hey Russ, thanks for coming down.
No problem. So it looks like everything starts down here in the basement.
Yeah, this is where all the magic begins. So the first most important part is to have a dedicated internet connection. The heart of the home automation system is a device like this one called the SmartLink Central Controller. It acts, as the name implies, as a central controller for all the devices in the home. To get the internet from here to here requires a little bit of programming magic, specifically port forwarding.
Now that we have that all set up, now it's time to turn our attention to set up the devices in the house. So if we wanted to start with something, say, like our Christmas tree, where do we go from here?
Well, there's a number of different switches available, controller switches that you can use for light switches, garage doors, thermostat, that sort of thing. For all those, we recommend having a licensed electrician install those. For something like this, we can just use a device like this. Heading down the home stretch, I programmed the central controller to recognize the Christmas tree. Alright, now that that's in place, the last thing to do is to set up the iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with the appropriate software configuration. And there you have it. Since the system runs through the current electrical system of the house, there's no need to drill holes in walls or run additional cabling. And you can start with something as simple as a Christmas tree.
Or something as cool as turning on your sprinklers. From anywhere in the world. So, no matter how big or how small, we've got the cure.